Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best old coins is probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding hobbies you can embark on, offering a tangible connection to history, a thrilling treasure hunt for rare pieces, and the potential for significant investment growth as you uncover hidden gems from bygone eras, each telling a unique story through its intricate design and historical significance, making every acquisition a journey through time itself. Number 5. Elikliv EDM 4.3-inch digital microscope. Experience stunning 720p HD digital imaging on its crisp 4.3-inch LCD screen. It delivers real-time clear images and quality videos, reducing eye and neck strain. Zoom in to explore incredible details with its powerful magnification capabilities. The actual magnification adapts to your screen size and object distance. Effortlessly connected to your Windows or MacBook for an expanded view on a larger screen. Share live images with others and easily save them for analysis. Its 8 adjustable LED lights provide perfect illumination for clear, detailed observations. Even in low-light conditions, it ensures enhanced image quality. This device is perfect for inspecting circuit boards, coins, jewelry, and stamps. It's also great for watch repair, skin detection, and STEM education. The adjustable stand allows you to set the perfect camera-to-object distance for various magnification needs. Easily find your ideal viewing angle and achieve precise focus. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous use. This ensures portability and extended operation for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. This device offers a crisp HD display and powerful magnification, allowing you to see intricate details with ease. If you are a serious collector or restorer who needs to inspect coins closely and share findings, its PC view compatibility and detailed imaging make it an indispensable tool for analysis and presentation. What people say. Number 4. American Coin Treasures USA 4 Most Famous Coins. Discover a remarkable collection featuring 4 of America's most iconic coins. This genuine set brings the rich heritage of the United States right to your fingertips. Included are the historic Buffalo nickel, the classic Indian head cent, and the commemorative bicentennial half dollar and quarter. Each coin tells a unique story from our nation's past. These are authentic United States government-minted coins, ensuring their genuine nature. They come with a certificate of authenticity for your peace of mind. Each set is housed in a durable collector's acrylic case, showcasing both the obverse and reverse of every coin. This sonically sealed display measures approximately 5 by 3 inches, keeping them secure. All dates on the coins are clearly readable, though the specific year and mint mark will vary. A matted card inside the acrylic keeps each coin perfectly in place. This patriotic collection is perfect for enthusiasts and new collectors alike. Enjoy the quality and detail of these historical artifacts. What we like. This collection features 4 iconic U.S. coins, each a genuine piece of American history. If you are a beginner collector or someone who appreciates historical artifacts and wants a ready-to-display piece, its authentic coins housed in a collector's acrylic make it a perfect starting point or a thoughtful gift. What people say. Number 3. American Coin Treasures Thomas Jefferson Coin and Currency Collection. Discover a unique collection celebrating one of America's founding fathers. This special set brings together various historical representations of Thomas Jefferson. Showcasing 5 distinct depictions of Thomas Jefferson, this collection comes in a beautifully designed portfolio. It's perfect for display and preservation. Within this portfolio, you'll find authentic United States coins. Each piece is carefully selected to represent a part of American history. It also features genuine United States currency, adding another layer of historical value. These items offer a tangible connection to the past. Rest assured of the collection's integrity, as it includes a certificate of authenticity. This document verifies the genuine nature of its contents. For your peace of mind, this collection is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. It ensures quality and satisfaction with your purchase. What we like. This unique set brings together 5 different representations of a key historical figure across genuine U.S. coins and currency. If you are a history enthusiast or looking for a thematic collection that tells a story, its focus on Thomas Jefferson offers a fascinating and educational journey through American numismatics. What people say. No reviews could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. No reviews could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. Number 2. American Coin Treasures 1933 Gold Double Eagle Replica. Discover a stunning tribute to one of history's most coveted coins. This exquisite replica captures the essence of a true numismatic marvel. Crafted from solid brass and layered with genuine 24-karat gold, it offers an authentic look and feel. Struck multiple times, it boasts razor-sharp details and a brilliant, mirror-like finish. This piece pays homage to the 1933 St. Gaudens $20 Double Eagle, a coin so rare it sold for $18.87 million. It's a museum-quality replica, capturing every detail of that legendary original. Each coin comes with an official certificate of authenticity. Measuring 1.4 inches, it's perfect for display in your collection, on your desk, or bookshelf. An impressive and affordable gift, it's ideal for numismatists, history buffs, or anyone fascinated by American coinage. Give the gift of history and beauty for any special occasion. Brought to you by American Coin Treasures, a trusted American business. They specialize in genuine and replica coins, ensuring quality craftsmanship and historical accuracy. What we like. This stunning piece is a 24K gold-layered replica, paying tribute to one of the world's most valuable and elusive coins. If you admire legendary numismatic history but prefer an affordable, museum-quality display piece, its exquisite craftsmanship and historical significance make it an ideal collectible for any enthusiast. What people say. The historical significance of these coins is remarkable, offering a tangible connection to the past. Each coin showcases intricate designs and craftsmanship, reflecting the artistry of its era. The diverse origins of the collection provide a fascinating journey through different cultures and periods. Number 1. American Coin Treasures Gold Rush Collection. Discover a truly premium collection. It features 6 authentic U.S. mint quarters, each beautifully layered in pure gold. These rare pieces are highly sought after by collectors, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts of all ages. Each one is genuine and carefully selected for this unique collection. Your purchase includes a certificate of authenticity with every order. This provides proof and ensures you can feel completely confident in your acquisition. Searching for a truly special gift that can be cherished and passed down through generations. This makes an ideal present for birthdays, Christmas, or any memorable occasion. Rest assured with your purchase. It comes backed by a comprehensive 1-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like. This collection presents 6 authentic U.S. mint quarters, each beautifully layered in pure gold. If you are looking for unique, eye-catching pieces to add sparkle to your collection or a distinctive gift, its rare gold-layered specimens offer both aesthetic appeal and historical value. What people say. No reviews were found in the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, therefore no specific product details could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.